Welcome to my crash course on web design. In this video, I go over 4 key aspects that are essential for creating effective and visually appealing websites. Hi, I'm Rachel, a website designer from Rayrock Design. This video is going to provide you with valuable insight into the foundational aspects of web design. When you understand key concepts like user experience, visual aesthetics, responsive design, website performance, and SEO, you or your customers can make informed decisions when creating or improving their websites. This will lead you to create websites that effectively engage your audience, showcase you or your customers' brand identity, and drive desired outcomes such as increased traffic leads and conversions. So let's get into it. First up, user experience or UX design. User experience, or UX design, is kind of like the difference between stumbling through a cluttered room in the dark and effortlessly gliding through a well-lit, organized space. When you properly plan and design your website, your goal is that the viewer has an easy and enjoyable experience. UX design enables a smooth ride by focusing on things like intuitive navigation, speedy loading times, and eye-catching visuals. Of course, it's not just about making things look pretty, it's about making them work seamlessly too. UX design involves getting inside the heads of your audience and understanding their needs, and then delivering exactly what they're looking for. This involves market research and some collaboration with your client regarding their target audience or clientele. A well-crafted user experience keeps people coming back for more, boosts engagement, and turns casual visitors into loyal fans. It's essential for success of any website. Next, let's talk about visual aesthetics. When it comes to web design, visual aesthetics are like the icing on the cake. They make everything look desirable. Think about colors, fonts, images, layout. They all come together to create a vibe that visitors either love or, well, don't. So, starting with color. They're not just pretty, they're mood setters. Bright colors might scream fun and energetic, while softer tones could say calm and soothing. Then there's typography. Fonts aren't just letters, they're characters with personalities, to us designers anyway. Choosing the right ones can make your website feel professional, playful, or anything in between. Now onto images. They're the eye candy of your site. They draw people in and they tell your story visually. Then there's layout, which is like the blueprint of your site. How you arrange everything from your headers to your buttons can make navigation a breeze or a headache. And then, of course, white space. It's not wasted space. It's a design element, and it gives your content room to breathe and helps users focus on what's important. When you nail visual aesthetics, you're not just making things pretty, you're creating seamless functionality as well, creating an experience that's easy on the eyes and keeps visitors coming back for more. Let's move on to responsive design. I like to think of responsive design as shape-shifting. It lets you change shape to fit any situation. We browse on everything from phones to tablets to desktops, and your site needs to be able to adapt to various screen sizes. Responsive design is all about flexibility. You want your website to look great, whether it's viewed on a tiny smartphone screen or a massive desktop monitor. That means you'll want to test your website on various devices and then adjust all the spacing and typography accordingly. It's also about functionality, so buttons need to be tappable, text needs to be readable, and images need to load quickly, no matter on what device. With responsive design, you're not just building a website, you're creating an experience. And that experience is accessible to everyone, no matter how they choose to browse. Okay, for the fourth key aspect for creating effective and visually appealing websites, I'm going to talk about optimization. Optimizing your website is important because in the digital age that we live in, speed matters. Nobody likes waiting around for a website to load, and in fact, research shows we don't. We just move on to the next search result in our browsers. Some of the things you'll want to do is compress your images, minify code, and clean up or delete any unnecessary themes or plugins or scripts that are on your website. Speed isn't the only thing we're optimizing for here. We're also talking about making your website search engine friendly. That means sprinkling in some researched keywords, optimizing your meta tags, and creating killer content that keeps people coming back for more, also known as search engine optimization or SEO. Aside from the obvious benefits of faster load times and better search rankings, it's also about providing the best possible experience for visitors. And there you have it, 4 key aspects of web design. And by focusing on user experience, visual aesthetics, responsive design, website performance optimization, you can create websites that are not only beautiful, but also functional and highly effective. Don't forget, choosing the right domain name is crucial for establishing your brand identity and attracting visitors to your website as well. So if you want to know more about domain names and how to choose the best one, I made a video for you on that right there. If you liked this video or learned from it, please like, share, or subscribe. Feel free to leave your comments or questions below, and have a good one. Thanks for watching.